In this video, I'll show you the 7 best exercises you can do to burn more calories, reduce overall body fat, and get rid of belly fat quickly. Before showing you what these exercises are, I need to tell you some secrets. I promise I won't keep you waiting. The #1 key to losing belly fat is undoubtedly diet. However, these fat loss exercises can accelerate weight loss, and many of them can be done in the comfort of your own home. Belly fat is notoriously easy to gain, but extremely difficult to get rid of. Excess body fat not only harms health, but is also unwanted by many. Many people try to solve the problem of belly fat with crunches and sit-ups, but these are among the worst exercises for this goal. They burn few calories, and unfortunately, we cannot choose where to lose fat in the body. Therefore, the best exercise to reduce belly fat is self-control in your daily diet. Although diet is the main determining factor for calorie intake, some exercises burn significantly more calories than others. Incorporating these exercises can increase the amount of calories burned weekly, aiding in fat burning throughout the body, including the abdominal area. So without further ado, here are the 7 most effective exercises to help you lose belly fat. Jumping jacks are an incredible exercise to start your workout. It is excellent for the warm-up phase, as it raises the heart rate and prepares the muscles and joints for more intense exercises. Additionally, jumping jacks improve motor coordination since they require synchronized movements of the arms and legs. It's a simple but effective exercise that can be done anywhere and is perfect for starting your fat-burning journey. 2. Burpees. Burpees are a fantastic option for improving fitness, cardiorespiratory endurance, and promoting weight loss. This full-body exercise uses only body weight and aims to strengthen not only the abdomen, but also the arms and legs, significantly raising the heart rate. This complete exercise combines calorie burning and muscle strengthening. Abdominal strengthening occurs due to the need to stabilize the trunk, especially during push-ups and squats. Burpees are intense and challenging, but extremely effective for those seeking quick results in abdominal fat loss. 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an exercise that combines strength and aerobic exercise, significantly raising the heart rate and promoting a great calorie burn. This exercise is known for tightening the abdomen, strengthening and defining legs and arms, and toning the glutes. In addition to the aesthetic benefits, mountain climbers also improve cardiovascular health and balance. 4. Sprawls. Sprawls are exceptional exercises for increasing strength, endurance, and agility. Additionally, they are highly effective in cardiovascular conditioning. By requiring the use of the whole body, sprawls demand a lot of energy, resulting in a significant calorie burn. Incorporating this exercise into your routine helps improve overall fitness and accelerate abdominal fat loss. 5. Russian twists. Russian twists are a core exercise that focuses on the trunk muscles and spinal stabilizers, especially the obliques. This movement not only strengthens these muscles, but also increases rotational trunk mobility and improves core isometric control. Incorporating Russian twists into your routine can result in a firmer abdomen and a more defined waist, as well as contribute to spinal stability and health. 6. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a high-intensity exercise that burns many calories. With an average of 120 jumps per minute, it is possible to burn between 600 and 800 calories per hour. Besides being a fun option, jumping rope can be easily interspersed with other lighter exercises, making it an excellent choice to vary your workout routine and keep motivation high. 7. Plank. The greatest benefit of the plank isometric exercise is that it not only strengthens the abdominal muscles, but also various other muscle groups. In addition to improving posture, this exercise intensely works the shoulders, arms, and core, the set of muscles responsible for body balance. The plank is a powerful exercise for toning and strengthening, providing a solid foundation for all daily movements and physical activities. These are the 7 incredible exercises to burn many calories and help you reduce abdominal fat. Remember, these exercises should not replace your regular strength training routine, where you lift weights and progress in the amount you can lift in each session. They should be used as a supplement to increase calorie burning and accelerate your progress. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more tips and workouts. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.